What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Joubert Abraham here. Listen, you know anybody that own a trucking business? Send this video to them. They need to watch this. All right, because today we're going to talk about how do you use a tool like HighLevel to run your trucking business. If you're running a trucking company, whether you're an owner operator, you have 2 trucks, or you're managing a fleet of 50 plus trucks, your biggest headache usually aren't just fuel prices or maintenance. They're communication, client retention, consistency. Guess what? Missed follow-up with brokers, slow onboarding new shippers, late invoice reminders, dispatch confusion, drivers not getting updates fast enough. In this video, I'll show you how to use a platform like HighLevel that can become your communication and automation command center, while your ELDs, dispatch software, accounting tools, and load boards continue to do the heavy lifting. Let's get the ball rolling. Most trucking companies rely on phone calls, scattered emails, text messages, spreadsheets, memory. We use our memory a lot. Revenue leaks happen all the time. I'll give you some example. When shippers' inquiries go unanswered, that's money that goes out the window. When quotes are delayed by weeks, that's money that goes out the window. When renewals aren't tracked, that's more money that goes out the windows. Invoices, no one is follow up on them, even more money goes out the windows. So driver communication has been reactive instead of structured. You're missing out on opportunity here. So this is system gaps, it's not effort gaps. And you can use HighLevel to centralize your communication, automate some of those repetitive client-facing tasks to make your job and your team job easier. I'll give you the first system. Lead capture and quote automation. When a broker or shipper fills out a request, automation can instantly send a confirmation email or text, deliver your service menu or lane list, book a discovery call, assign a sales rep or dispatcher to this one, right? And place them into a new shipper pipeline. All that done instantly. Speed signals reliability, silence signals risk. I'll give you a second system. Scheduling calls and driver orientation system. You can use a built-in calendar to manage shipper discovery call, carrier packet reviews, right? Driver onboarding sessions, big one, and safety training refreshers. All right, you can have all that package in. Plus, you can add quarterly account reviews, all in that one system. So automation reminders goes out. That helps reduce no-show, help remove scheduling chaos, especially when you have several different time zones. Another system is a pipeline for client and driver lifecycle. That's 2 different pipelines. One for clients, we're talking shippers, brokers, right? That comes with no inquiry, quote sent, negotiation, okay, active lane, right? That's another one. And then you have renewal pending. So you can have a pipeline which is like a whole dashboard with a visual of everything that's happened, and you can even add the at-risk account so somebody can be on top of that. Then you have a separate pipeline for just drivers, right? So you can always have a flow of drivers in your pipeline. New application is received, background check, orientation scheduled, right? Active drivers, so you know who's active and who's not, and review pending, so you can have evaluation set up for those drivers. Think about it. You have the shippers pipeline, you have the drivers pipeline, so you get a bird's eye view of your business health instead of relying on memory or sticky notes or maybe a Google Sheets hoping that you know what's happening, right? Another system is the automated check-in and invoice reminders. Automation can send weekly shippers check-ins, text or email, trigger contract renewal reminders, notify account managers of inactivity so somebody can pick up the phone and call them, and send gentle invoice nudges so you can actually get paid on time. Deliver satisfaction surveys after completed load so you get feedback. Now you're able to create consistency, which keeps contract instead of silences, which lose lanes. I want to also share 2 creative strategies that I'm not hearing nobody else talk about in the trucking business. Strategy 1, it's what's called a load milestone messaging. So instead of only calling when there's a problem, automate the process like truck dispatch, arrive at pickup, delivered, pod unloaded, right? Now you're sending those texts to your clients. It makes it easier to get feedback from them. It makes it easier to set up upsells offers, but it also increases transparency without hiring more dispatch staff. Last strategy from the 2 strategy pack, this is what's called a VIP shipper micro portals. These are only for your top clients. Think about it, you can even charge for this. Where they get a simple private portal that include lane rate sheets, contract and insurance docs, booking request forms, quarterly review scheduling, support request tickets. You make it so easy and simple for them to do business with you. It elevates your professionalism without building custom software or hiring additional developers. So you're saving a lot of money, all right? I want you to think about efficiency without replacing core system. So your HighLevel tool is not replacing your ELD systems, your dispatch software, your load boards, right? You're still gonna have all that running at the same time, right? It's not gonna replace your maintenance tracking tools. It's not even gonna replace your accounting platform. It's just gonna be complementary to it. So now you're able to have everything when it comes to communication and reminders and follow-ups, all those tasks that are hard sometimes to follow through, but that's costing you money. You're able to have everything like that in one platform, and that makes your job easier as an owner operator, because now you can run the business more efficiently. You have better retention system in place, better follow-up system in place, better client journey in place. The automation handles repetition, and your team is handling the operation and the transportation. Listen, if you want stronger shipper relationship and smoother communication, do this. Start with an inquiry form for them to fill out, build a pipeline so you can track what part of the stage that they're in, add milestone automation to make it easier for it to communicate with them, layer renewal and invoice workflow to make it easier for you to get paid. And you can experiment with this by using HighLevel for free for 30 days. Click the link in the comment to take advantage of this. If you like this video, you know anyone that owns a trucking business that can benefit from this, share it with them. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Cheers.